CA certificate level information technology multiple choice question practice serial 31 to 40. MCQ 31. Fifth generation computer can behave like human because of AI technology or ULSI technology. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Fifth generation computer can behave like human because of AI technology. Multiple choice question number 32. Main electronic component of fifth generation computer is ULSI or VLSI. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Main electronic component of fifth generation computer is ULSI. Next question 33. Language of fifth generation computer is natural or human language or high level language. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is natural or human language. Language of fifth generation computer is natural or human language. MCQ 34. DDR SDRM double data rate synchronous dynamic random access memory of fifth generation computer is used as memory or input output device. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. DDR SDRM of fifth generation computer is used as memory. Question 35. Which one is correct statement? Calculation was the only objective of early computer or multiprogramming was the objective of early computer. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Calculation was the only objective of early computer. Question 36. Abacus is the first computer invented by Chinese 4,000 years ago, or abacus is a wooden rack with beads and metal rods that users move to perform calculation. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. Abacus is a wooden rack with beads and metal rods that users move to perform calculation. Question 37. Napier's bones is the calculating tool used 9 ivory strips with numerals to multiply and divide, or Napier's bones is the calculating tool used 9 ivory strips which could not perform decimal point. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Napier's bones is the calculating tool used 9 ivory strips with numerals to multiply and divide. MCQ 38. Which one is the first machine to use decimal point? A. Abacus. B. Napier's bones. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. The first machine to use decimal point is Napier's bones. Question 39. Pascaline used 9 movable dials to add numbers up to 9 digits long, or the brass box used 8 movable dials to add numbers up to 8 digits long. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. Pascaline, the brass box used 8 movable dials to add numbers up to 8 digits long. MCQ 40. Which one is considered as the ancestor of pocket calculator? A. Pascaline. B. Napier's bones. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Pascaline is considered as the ancestor of pocket calculator. This is the end of this episode. We have passed 1 to 40 numbers of MCQ till now. Thank you very much.